In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings on Wayfair. Whether you're navigating this popular online shopping site for home furniture and decor or just prefer to browse in a different language, adjusting the language settings on Wayfair can greatly enhance your user experience. Let's get started and guide you through this straightforward process using Google Chrome. First, you need to go to the official website, wayfair.com. If you haven't done so already, open up your web browser and type in the URL. Once the website loads, the next crucial step is to log into your Wayfair account. To do this, just click on the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and sign in. This step ensures that any changes you make to your settings are saved to your account. Once logged in, we're going to utilize the settings feature in Google Chrome to proceed with the language adjustments. So, because we are using Chrome in this guide, find your three vertical dots, which is the custom and control menu located at the top right corner of your browser. Click on these dots, and what you'll see is a drop-down menu. This drop-down menu houses a variety of browser-related features and settings. From this menu, navigate down to the Settings option. Clicking on Settings opens a new tab with a whole range of customization options for your browser. We are particularly interested in the Languages section, as that's where we'll be adjusting Wayfair's language settings. Locate and click on the Languages section to enter the language settings page. Now that you're here, you have the ability to add a new language. Simply look for the button labeled Add Languages. Clicking it will release a pop-up with a list of available languages. Scroll or use the search function to find your desired language. This step is where you tell Chrome which language you'd like to use to view websites, including Wayfair. Once you've selected your preferred language, notice there's a prominent Add button. Click on it to add the chosen language. After doing so, you will see that your selected language has been added to the list. However, to use it for displaying Chrome, you may need to set it in this language. Just tick the option Display Chrome in this language right next to your selected language, and your choice should take effect. These simple steps are all it takes to customize Wayfair's language settings on Chrome to suit your preferences. Remember, adjusting the language settings not only personalizes your experience, but can also make navigating through the platform more intuitive and enjoyable. Thank you for watching and enjoy your internet shopping experience in your language of choice.